show you how to make a really quick and easy iced matcha latte, and it will only take you roughly 2 minutes. I highly recommend making this, especially to all my matcha lovers, and the only ingredient that you might have to buy from the store or get online is the matcha powder, but I'm going to leave some links down below because I actually got mine from Amazon and it tastes really good, so I highly recommend that one. Additionally, this has been one of my favorite quarantine addictions, so I highly recommend you try because it will get you addicted, as well as you will save a lot of money from making it by yourself instead of going to the stores. So let's get started. So here are all the ingredients that we're going to be using today. You're going to need about 1 cup of milk. I used almond milk, which is why this recipe is vegan, but feel free to use regular milk or any other type of milk that you wish to use. Next, we're going to be using about 1.5 tablespoons of the matcha green tea powder. And next, we're going to be using about half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And lastly, we're going to be using about 1/4 cup of slightly warmed up water. Okay, so all this recipe really is blending all these ingredients together. So here I added the water, and then I add the matcha powder because you want the matcha powder to blend a little bit since the water was slightly hotter. That way it dissolves because you don't want that clumpiness in your latte. And then I added the vanilla extract and the milk. So now all we're going to be doing is blending this latte up. I use my Vitamix for about 1 to 2 minutes. When you really start to see that the powder has blended in with the milk, you know that you're done. One thing I do want to point out is I tried making this latte with regular milk as well, and with regular milk you definitely get more foam on top and it looks more like the coffee shop matcha lattes. But if you don't really care about the foam on top, this using almond milk will still get you foam, as you can see. Okay, and now we're ready to serve. So I'm just putting in about half a cup of ice. I've always been a less ice person, but if you want more ice, please feel free to go ahead. And now I'm just going to be pouring in the latte. And here we have it, our vegan iced matcha latte. It's delicious, I promise. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to leave my social medias linked down below, and I really hope that you guys subscribe to this channel, like and comment, as well as follow my Instagram and Facebook where I post more detailed recipes of other items that I don't post on my YouTube. Additionally, just some behind the scenes and some Instagram lives. So yes, thank you so much, and I hope you guys are staying safe. Bye.